Okay guys, so in this video I'll be solving this challenge called text alignment. Okay, just we have to align some text. Just we have used in the previous challenge L just R just and center. Here you can see this is what we have to use, and you have seen this example. I showed you an example there in the doormat question, right? A good doormat challenge, a designer doormat. So these we will be using. So there will be a string of text which can be aligned left, right or center. So this methods tell you how to align the text in left side. So you can see an example. The total width is 20 because 20 is given, and this is the string, and L just we are using. So L just will give take the string to the leftmost side, and rest of the spaces will be filled with this thing. Okay, so similarly center will work, and similarly right side will work. Okay, you know all this. What's our task in this challenge? So we will be given some partial code, and we have to generate the HackerRank logo of variable thickness. The task is to replace the blank with RJust, LJust or center. So basically we have to do fill in the blanks. Okay, and thickness value is given. So it should be 0 to 50, and it should be an odd number, and output should be desired logo. So if 5 is given, you can see here the thickness, with respect to thickness you are having this full HackerRank logo. It looks like H, right? Okay, so what does this 5 mean? Is the maximum width thickness is 5 only. You can see here this half is 3 2 4 5 4. Okay, let me check out H, and this code is given to us already. Okay, so it's like we have to just fill in the blanks here. What should be the in this position, what should be there? RJust, LJust or center? That's what we have to see. Okay, and they are using the thickness and the value of thickness to make this code. Okay, so they have utilized it. That's very complicated. I can see that. They have used only single variable, and lot mathematics is there. Even I am not able to understand. I'm just using this comments. So the top cone is this guy. It looks like cone, and then there is top pillars means this guys, they are pillars, and then there is middle belt is this guy, and then what else is there? Bottom pillars and bottom cone. Okay, so these are your bottom pillars and bottom cone. Okay, so we don't have to go to the whole code how it is working. You can check it out. It's really not our concern in this challenge. We just have to provide what should be the values in the position of dashes, whether it should be RJust, LJust or center. So what I'll do is I'll remove everything. Okay, I'll remove these guys, and I'll just see how it looks like, whatever if I'll put. Okay, let me put LJust. I'm not aware of it, what should come, so I'm just putting some random thing. Okay, so I put LJust and RJust. Let's see how it looks. It doesn't look like what we want. It should look like this, but it is looking like this. Let me try something else. So if I'll try center here, how it looks. Center, then no, it doesn't look good. So let me change this guy to RJust. Okay, you can try it out. Hit and trial will work here. So yeah, this looks better. I think if this, I'll change it to LJust just to shift everything to the left, these guys to the left. Okay, that's what I'm doing. So Adjust, Adjust. Yeah, now it looks good. Okay, so in the fill in the blanks you will get Adjust and Adjust. Okay, so I'll bring back the code. Control Z, everything I have, and I'll put here I know Adjust and Adjust. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll do the same thing with these guys, but here I'll comment it. Okay, now okay, if I'll run it, what will happen? Let's see. I have not filled the position, so it is telling that there is a error. So string object has no attribute dash dash dash. We had to put some attribute, right? That's why it is showing error. So we are done with the top cone. Let's work with middle upper top pillar, sorry. So let me put because it looks it's one looks left and one row looks right, so let me put Adjust and Adjust. Oh, okay, so these guys we have not filled, so let me remove them just for some time. Yeah, it looks left and right. Okay, so this is good. Similarly, on that note, I can see that this may be center, right? This may be center. So let me try that also. Here I'll put center. Okay, and I'll remove these guys, bottom cone and pillar. Let me check how it looks. This doesn't look good. I mean, why? Okay, let me do here center. Yeah, now it is aligned. Okay, this guy is aligned, so this has to be center. Right guy is also has to be center. So I'll change it to center. Okay, now it looks good, right? So let's bring back the top guy as well. If I'll remove the comment, now it will look better. Yeah, now it looks, upper part looks complete. Let's work with the bottom guys. So let me bring the, okay, now I have these guys center. This is also center, and this is also center, and this I'll remove, and this I'll remove. Okay, so now the middle belt we are done. So these guys are also looking similar to these guys, so I'll use the same commands, that is center. Okay, I'll remove these guys so that there won't be any error. Let's run it, and yeah, it works fine. And we have to work with bottom one, right, which is similar to our top cone. So let me bring back that code. So let me here there are 1 2 3 are there. So let me try some random thing. So it should be on right side, right? Let's use Adjust. Let me use some random thing I'm trying, and I will see the result how it is working. Adjust. So this is not correct. This has to be here, right, on the right side. So for Adjust, where I am using, I'll use Adjust, and let me check how it looks. Yeah, now it is better, and it almost looks similar, but these guys I have to do some r L just somewhere I have to put L just. Let me do here and check. No, it is better, not better. So this has to be R, and let me do this guy L just, and see how it looks. Okay, now it looks better. Okay, correct. So it was nothing special, already code was given to us, we just had to fill in the blanks. In place of these guys we have to choose what will come. Okay, so we did it iteratively. So first we started with this guy, how it looks, and we have tried different combinations, and then we came for the second guy, and then third guy, fourth guy, fifth guy, and we combined all of them. Okay, now we are having this code, so let's submit it. We have passed all the test cases. Okay, congratulations, we are 4-star. Okay, so now we are 4-star. So it was a comparatively easy puzzle, just to show you how to use rjust, center, and ljust, which we have already used in designer doormat. So I had to solve this first and then that one, but I did it before, so it doesn't matter. I mean, it's fine as far as you are learning. Okay, if you are interested, then you can run these codes. I mean, you can see how it is working using their thickness value they are using, but I don't want to go to this thing because it looks very complicated to me. I mean, seriously, it looks complicated. You can see they are using the way they are using the expressions. I mean, it looks difficult, right? So it's your wish if you want to do it. The main thing is in companies you will be working like the job should be done, right? You don't have to waste your time unnecessarily on things which are not required. So that's why I won't waste time on running this code. Whatever was required, we have done it. Let's move on to the next challenge.